Hello dear students, welcome back to my video. Today we can discuss the topic circle. What is circle and its properties? Also formulas and some examples. Okay, let's start. Okay, what is circle? We can say a definition of circle as when a set of all points that are at a fixed distance from a fixed point are joined, then the geometrical figure obtained is called a circle. That is, I had written the definition for circle here. When a set of all points that are at a fixed point are joined, then the geometrical figure obtained is called circle. The set of all points are here, then that are joined at a fixed point. This is a fixed point. Then the geometrical figure obtained is called a circle. Next we can discuss some terms related to the circle. We have center, radius, diameter, circumference, arc of circle and sector of circle. First we can look center. A fixed point in the circle is called the center. It comes here. We denote it as C. This is the center of circle. A radius is the fixed distance between center and set of point. That is, we can mark radius. This distance is called radius. It is denoted by R. Next, diameter. Diameter is a line segment having boundary point of a circle as the end point, and it passes through the center. That is, we can say this line segment as diameter. It is marked as D. This is the point center, okay. Next, circumference. Circumference is the measure of outside boundary of the circle. This measurement is called circumference. This measurement is called circumference. Then arc of a circle. There are two types of arc, major arc and minor arc. Arc of a circle is a portion of circumference. We can say this portion is called arc of the circle. And the smaller portion is minor arc and major portion is major arc. Next, sector of circle. A sector is formed by joining end point of an arc with the center. If this is the arc, then if we join this arc, then this is said to be sector of circle. Next we can write definition for each terms. So we can define each terms. The center. The fixed point in the circle is called center. The radius. The fixed distance between center and set of point. It is denoted by R. Diameter. It is a line segment having boundary point of a circle as the end point, denoted by D. Circumference. Measure of outside boundary of circle or length of circle, or it is a perimeter of circle. That is the circumference. Then arc of circle. It is a portion of circumference. There are two types of arc, minor arc and major arc. The shorter arc created by 2 points are minor arc. The longer arc created by 2 points are major arc. Next, sector of circle. It is formed by joining the endpoints of an arc with the center. Okay. Next, we can discuss properties of a circle. We can define properties of circle by using two ways, related to lines and related to angles. There are two terms in lines, that is chord and tangent. Similarly, there are two terms related to angles, inscribed angle and central angle. inscribed and central angle. Next we can discuss one by one and its properties. A chord. A chord is a line segment whose endpoint lie on the boundary of circle. That is, in this figure we can define this line as chord, this line as chord. So we can say the longest chord on the circle is the diameter. Diameter is also a chord. Next, properties of a chord. Perpendicular drop from the center divide a chord into two equal parts. This is the property of chord. That is, if we draw a perpendicular to the chord from center, it divide chord into two equal parts. That is the property of a chord. Next we can look what tangent. Tangent is a line that touches the circle at any point. In this figure, AB is the tangent. Each touch the circle here. Then properties of tangent. A radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point where it touches the circle. Property says that if we draw one tangent and radius is always perpendicular to that tangent. If we draw the radius, then tangent and radius will make angle 90 degree. Perpendicular means angle 90 degree. This is a property of tangent. Next we can look inscribed angle. Inscribed angle formed between two chords when they meet on the boundary of circle. Here figure shows inscribed angle. It is the angle between two chords. This is a two chord when they meet on the boundary of the circle. AC is the chord, BC is the chord. An angle made between these two chords are called inscribed angle. Okay. Next property of inscribed angle is angle formed by same arc on the circumference of circle is always equal. That is, angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. This is the angle made in the same arc. So we can say angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. Next we can look what is central angle. It is an angle formed when two line segments meet such that one of the endpoint of both the line segment is at the center and another is at the boundary of circle. Figure shows the central angle. Here it is an angle formed when two line segments meet such that one of the endpoint of both line segment is at the center. This is a line segment AO and other line segment BO. Its endpoint is at the center. Another is at the boundary of the circle, that is AB. So angle made between these is called central angle. Then properties of central angle is that an angle formed by an arc at the center is twice the angle inscribed angle formed by the same arc. That is, central angle is angle AOB and inscribed angle is angle ACB. Then properties say that angle AOB is equal to 2 into angle ACB. This angle is twice the angle of this. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle ACB. Next we can look area of circle. Area of circle is given by pi r square, where r is the radius of circle. Next, perimeter of circle is 2 pi r, where r is the radius of circle. Value of pi is equal to 3.14. This is the perimeter of circle. This is the important formula related to the circle. That's all for the circle. I hope you understand the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.